So I went down from 12 hives to 11, which is fine. This has just opened up a spot for my splits, but this is one of the hives that got knocked over. It didn't help them. Yeah, they froze out basically. There's some wax moth larvae right there. No, that's not wax moth, that's a small hive beetle. Anyway, so I probably should take these boxes and it's not doing very much there. Let's see. I'm gonna take this box. This is an old box, been out here for a while. In this condition, I'll take this. I'll take all these boxes. Anyway, so basically I put probably 2 liters of Norroa into this hive that just got robbed out. I mean, that's not super cool. 1976. Let's peek down here. I want to send these frames off to someplace to see what kind of analysis I could get. Huh. Yeah, this looks like a frame that I started here. So you want the bees to be able to empty this stuff out. So I'm going to take the bottom board, I want to put it up on the side, the hive, and let the wind go through it. And it'll reduce the likelihood of wax moths